So I always get the comment, Ryobi and Milwaukee are made by TTI. That is true. This is more of the homeowner, this is more of the professional, but they both make these little chainsaws. That over there is an 8-inch, this is a 6-inch. We're going to show you the difference in performance, how they do today. So we're going to do a speed test here. Now, you're going to say, oh, that's not apples to apples, and you know what? It's not apples to apples, but I do have a secret that hopefully I can cheat just a little bit with this 12 amp hour 18 volt battery and beat Mr. Milwaukee over here, because nobody wants to see Milwaukee win. Nobody really does, right? Right? So anyways, he has a 6 amp hour high output battery. I've got the 12 amp hour. They're both 18 volts. We're going to see how well that these actually do. Maybe I can keep up. But either or, you're going to find out today how well they do. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Mine cut out. Just kidding. All right. Damn it. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch it to the small end. Since that's a bigger chainsaw, I'm going to put a smaller diameter here, and hopefully I can keep up with it. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to do it. But here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so, I don't know, it wasn't even close. Anyways, my name is Brent, this is Josh, this is Live Free and Tool Line. Now you know the comparison. There's not really that much of a comparison, but at least now you can see how they perform head to head. And until next time, my name is Brent. Again, get out there, go build something, make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass it on to the next generation. We'll all be better for it at the end of the day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya.